weekend.
Well, Easter is just a few days away now, and New Orleans Mom's Blog is putting a NOLA-style twist on the traditional Easter basket. Angelina Vicknair is showing us how to do it and do it with style. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, there's so many ways to fill an Easter basket. This may not fit in a basket, but what a cute Easter gift, especially with all the crawfish boils coming.
Absolutely. My kids really love this from Lil Boil. This is a local brand, and you want to get the kids involved with Mom and Dad boiling for this Easter. The original set comes with crawfish, and they've since added the crab and the shrimp sets.
That's too cute.
Yeah, and those can be found locally.
It has the pot, the strainer, the crawfish, the seasoning, the basket, the wooden paddle, the whole 9 yards.
The corn, everything.
Yeah. All right, now this is really precious. This is a customized Easter basket, so to speak, but you could use this for art supplies all year long.
You could. This is from WB Furniture. This is a customized wooden basket, so they personalize it with your child's name, this cute burlap bow. I mean, it's just adorable, and I love that it's a change on the traditional Easter basket, but like you said, you could
Look
utilize
how easily your stuff could just fit in there so easily.
Right.
And speaking of stuff, you have all sorts of puzzles here. Puzzles are great for summer car trips that are coming up.
Yes.
And cards as well.
Yeah, so this is from Little Peanuts Toy Shop. They are in Lakeview. Her idea is to get kids engaged with their play and use their imagination. So we have things, she sells Haba, which is a really popular brand, and then all these other ones. She sources everything that her kids love, and it's, you know, wooden and, you know, good ingredients, quality toys.
And it'll keep them quiet during the summer on long trips, for sure. Okay, now this is something really cool. You know how kids are into that slime stuff, making slime?
Right.
This is another idea that is not so messy.
Yes, so this is Play Foam by Educational Insights. Somehow, I don't know the technology behind it, but it stays together, so it's no mess, and there's a surprise hidden inside.
Okay, I love this because all the Easter candy, this candy actually cleans the teeth after they eat the Easter candy.
Yes, so it's
I've never heard of that
It has
before.
xylitol in it. They make the Zolly Pops, so they have the lollipops, the taffy, and they have drops. So my boys didn't even know that this wasn't their after dinner treat, and I was actually cleaning their teeth.
Unbelievable.
Yep.
Okay, now this is probably the cutest thing I've ever seen. This is made from shards of glass.
Yeah, so this is from Shard Shop. They're a local shop on Magazine, so it's a make-your-own art boutique. They also do camps over the summer for kids. But the idea behind it is you get this gift, and then you can do this whole kit. So you can do it in their shop or gift this, and then they can make it at home, and it comes out this beautiful piece of art for your house.
It'll be cute for grown-up kids and bigger kids as well to do.
Right.
All right, thank you so much. And I just got to mention, you have beets in here to put in the Easter basket. You think the kids are really going to eat these?
My 3-year-old actually does like the kale chips.
Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
so.
All right, Angelina Vicknair.